Support the Ramen Raider on Patreon. Thanks to all our patrons.
Alright everybody, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today we've got something called this. This is Maruchan Yakisoba chili cheese flavor. Thank you very much to the folks down in Irvine, California for sending this along. And that's what we're making today. Oh boy, I've already got one that's open and ready to go. Holy biscuits, wow. So there's our sachet, and we're gonna put water up to the line, and I'm gonna go crazy on this sucker. What do you mean, Ramen Raider? What do you mean you're gonna go crazy on it? Well, I have a plan. That is up to the fill line, folks. So let's get this sucker cooking. It takes 4 minutes, and then it must rest for an additional minute after it's trial by fire. And there we go. It's on the way to wonder. So we got, there's cheese, there's spring onion, or scallion in this case. I've got a pot of chili. It was a can. I got the cheese, and I'm gonna also use the Funyuns that you may have seen a couple episodes ago. These Funyuns are special limited edition Maruchan Funyun collab Funyuns. So I thought, maybe it would work. Yeah, let's check this chili out. I really could have used no bean chili. I don't have any though, and I didn't want to buy any. I'm not really I like chili a lot, but not generally in the daytime. That's for nighttime. That's good. Tastes like chili. Here's our massive, that's a heavy sachet full of flavor goodness. So yeah, I wanted to use shredded cheese, but there was a miscommunication between me and my wife. And that's okay. I'm going to use Colby Jack. I figured that shredded, so I'm thinking, make the noodles, try the noodles, plate the noodles, add the chili, and I want the chili to be really hot, and then put cheese on top of that, and then some of the Funyuns, and then some scallion. Let it sit a minute so the cheese hopefully kind of melts, and then we're good. Yeah, that's the plan. That's what I'm gonna do. That's what I'm gonna do. So the next one will be interesting. I had to run down to the store to get an ingredient for the plating of the next one. When was that? Maybe 45 minutes ago we got back. We booked it. No, it was longer than that. But yeah. Come on kids, let's go. And they wanted Cheetos, so I was like, okay, I'll get you Cheetos. Yeah, you'll have to eat those Cheetos under the supervision of the mom. It's they'll have to sit in a single spot and eat Cheetos with maybe a pair of chopsticks or tweezers so they don't get Cheeto. They're messy, man. I was messy too. There's nothing wrong with that. But yeah. You will eat the Cheetos with the tweezers. When you are done, you will put your face under the sink and use the Brillo pad, and it will be clean and happy after that. Come on, I'm curious. I'm really curious. I was also thinking it's chili cheese. I mean, what's another product that's chili cheese Fritos? But I don't know. I've used Fritos and chili cheese with them. Every once in a while I get this great idea. I think those days are over. It's like, yeah, man, you get chili cheese and you get chili and cheese and Fritos, and you put the chili and cheese over the Frito. It's gross. It's the same thing with French fries. I'm sorry, but it's just so freaking heavy. You gotta have the right fries. You also have to have seasoned fries. If you just do regular fries, it's just like... I'll tell you, there was a place I went to a long time ago, because when we went back it sucked, but we went there. Issaquah Cafe, I think, something like that. We went there. It was after we took my son to the Thomas the Tank Engine thing. He was like 3 or 4. He was really young. Might have been 3. So we go to that, and then we go to this Issaquah Cafe, and I got a Monte Cristo sandwich. Highly recommend those, at least if they're done right. And I got a Monte Cristo, and they had the option of like 3 different kinds of fries or potato salad or something. I got these Sidewinder fries, and boy howdy were those freaking good. Wow. And then we went back, and the staff was horrible, and they were slow, and it was almost like, you ever go to a restaurant and you order something and you notice everybody else is getting served before you, and you didn't, like, you know what I mean? You didn't order anything outlandish. That's what happened at that place. It's like, dude, what did we just walk into? We had to wait for a seat for like a half an hour. It's like, we invested all this time. They were jakes, so. But I have a fond memory. Very fond. I would like to say happy birthday. It will be after his birthday, to my buddy Dan, who runs exoticnudes.com. Not like naked ladies, but noodles. You can go check out his website. He's got all sorts of neat noodles that you can get, and they're from all around the world, not just like Japan or just this or that. But yeah, if you're interested in learning and trying, oh, don't fall in there, then that might be a good option for you. Don't know where my scissors had gotten off to, so I'll use these fresh scissors. Whoa! Just came out like a little boulder. And my fork is in the chili. I don't want to use the chili fork. Or the previously... Yeah, anyway. Here, let's look at this again. Wow. I really want this to get well done. Yeah, I let it sit a minute. It didn't really want to absorb all the liquid, but that's okay. It can be saucy. It's chili cheese. Come on. Yeah, I want this to be very uniform. I don't know that the cheddar got as uniform as this will, but that's okay. Alright, I think we're golden, like a potato. Alright, give it a flavor taste. If you're looking for noodles that taste like chili cheese, my friends, you have come home. Wow. It almost has like a hint of like bacon in there. Interesting, interesting. I think one of these had a hint of animal product, but I don't think it was this one. Okay. This kitchen has so many different facets to it right now. It's kind of crazy. Okay. Let's get it on, as they say. Okay, and we got our chili, which is getting turned off. Chili. Yeah, I don't know how melty this is gonna be. There you go. Ah! Okay. I guess I could just microwave it for a minute, right? To let it melt. Let's see what happens. I'll give it a couple seconds. And it's rotating. And it's not really melting. And it's kind of melting. This is not a very melty cheese, I hate to admit, but we got what we got. I mean, I could take it off and put foot cheese on it. Foot cheese is what I refer to as, I call Velveeta. There, it's the Olympics. Oh, come on. No, thank you. Don't you know I'm busy doing God's work? Alright. Well, that's the route I am taking. We have arrived. There you go. Chili cheese yakisoba. An amazing thing. Look and learn. Alright, now you've seen that. Next you're going to see this. Maruchan Yakisoba. Orange chicken. That's new. We'll give it a try. I've been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.